In this lecture, we're going to talk about assignment operators in C. What is the outline of this lecture? First, we will introduce the concept of assignment operator, what an assignment operator is. Then we will have a look into different shorthand assignment operators available in C language. And finally, we will consider one homework problem at the end of this lecture. Let's get started. What is an assignment operator? We are well aware about assignment operator already. Assignment operator is an operator which is used to assign value to a variable. Isn't that so? Apart from that, we know this thing that assignment operator is a binary operator. It requires two values, L value and R value. You are well aware about the L value and R value. If you haven't already gone through with the lecture in which I talked about the L value and R value, then I would recommend you to please have a look into that lecture first and then come back to this lecture. Link of the lecture is provided in the description below. Please have a look into that lecture first. Apart from that, this operator copies R value to L value. That is its functionality. R value is something which is capable of returning some constant value. On the other hand, L value is something which is capable of holding that value. Therefore, it copies R value to L value. For example, you have a variable and here you are assigning 5 to it. Here the variable is L value. This is an assignment operator. And this one is an R value, right? Now let's consider different shorthand assignment operators available in C language. These operators are very handy to use. In the list of shorthand assignment operators, let's have a look into our first shorthand assignment operator, plus equal to, which simply means first perform the addition and then perform assignment. Okay? That is why plus is written before the assignment operator. Let me tell you one thing. Assignment operator is having least precedence among all the operators except the comma operator. Assignment operator is having higher precedence than comma operator but is having a least precedence among all the operators available in C language. Let's consider one example where we can use this plus equal to operator. Here in this example, I have written one expression a plus equal to 1, which is actually equivalent to a is equals to a plus 1. Instead of writing this long expression, we can simply write this expression. Both are one and the same thing. The same concept is applicable to other shorthand assignment operators as well. Second shorthand assignment operator available in this list is minus equal to, which simply means first subtraction then assignment. The third operator available in this list is multiplication equal to, which simply means first multiplication then assignment. This operator simply means first division then assignment. Apart from these shorthand assignment operators, we have other shorthand assignment operators as well. This operator simply means first perform the modulus, that is, we know the result of modulus between two operands is remainder. So first we perform the modulus and then the assignment. Here first we perform bitwise left shift then assignment. Here we will perform first bitwise right shift and then assignment. Here this operator simply means first bitwise and then assignment. First bitwise OR then assignment. And finally first bitwise XOR and then assignment. Now let's consider the homework problem of today's lecture. What is the output of the following program segment? This is the program segment available to you. What is the output? Here, first of all, you need to figure out what operator is this. Apart from that, you need to figure out what this printf function will print on the screen. Is output is A 5? Is it B 6? Is it C 51? Or is it D 15? You can always post your answer in the comment section below. Okay friends, this is it for now. Thank you for watching this lecture.